Hey guys, this is Bruce, and I get the same kind of questions over and over as I've been doing these security kind of videos. People asking me how can they get into cybersecurity. So what I've done is I've consolidated all those questions to kind of answer it, and not only that, but walk you through how to actually do it in my course. That course is how to get into cybersecurity and how to go even further and make up to 6 figures. So if you're interested in that and how I'm able to actually get these offers and opportunities weekly sent directly to my inbox, then definitely check out that course. And let's get into this. I'm just reading through a full-time hire for cybersecurity lead in Washington, D.C. And this is recent, about 2 days ago I got this one. They said their name here, they're like a look like they're a talent scout, they're an IT recruiter at TalentNetwork, and I'll put their link in the description below if you're interested in this position. But the job, let's just get right into the actual job description here. It's saying minimum qualifications and experience. Before I start, the reason I do these videos is to give you guys an idea of what kinds of jobs, cybersecurity, what kinds of tasks, and what kind of things do they ask for in this field, so that the noobs, people who are trying to get into cybersecurity, have some idea of what they're looking for, so that maybe they can become those things that they're looking for, employers are looking for. And if you're actually already in cybersecurity or in IT, this might be an opportunity for you to actually go on the link below and go find this job. Anyway, qualifications. They're looking for somebody to demonstrated experience in application development and cybersecurity. And they're saying demonstrate experience implementing DevOps practices such as infrastructure code. So this right here is a software engineer. And they're saying 10 years of application programming and hands-on technical application, 5 years of experience in IT security. This is a rare kind of person right here. I've actually met a few guys like this who can actually code and they're in cybersecurity. Pretty rare, but it exists. 3 years of experience assessing and auditing. They want a programmer who can audit and do cybersecurity. 3 years of experience assessing auditors, and they list FedRAMP and FISMA and NIST. A bachelor's degree in computer science, information system management. Yeah, so this is interesting. You have to have a CISP. Wow. This is this one right here is interesting. Yeah, I've met people who have all these qualifications and more, but it's pretty rare to find that. Let me see if I can find another one here. That one's kind of weird. Okay, here's a good one. This is one, an information assurance consultant and identity and access management in Philadelphia, PA. This is another, it looks like this is sent from another recruiter, technical recruiter. And it's full-time. And it's saying green card. That GC means green card or a green card. EAD, an EAD card is a employment authorization document that allows you, if you are not a citizen of the United States, but you have a green card, an EAD card just allows you to work in the United States without the green. It's like when you're on your way to your green card, so, or a U.S. citizen. So it's saying green card, EAD, or U.S. citizen. Okay, let's just kind of go through some of the job descriptions. It says job descriptions include manage day-to-day identity and access management for Xfinity Mobile, Active Directory, CADA, Active Directory Manager, Active Directory, Audit, understand single sign-on, federated access. Okay, that's interesting. Develop proactive preventative measures with scripting and to detect unauthorized access, perform monthly and quarterly self-audits. Yeah, interesting. There's a little bit of crossover between this job and the last one. Notice that they keep saying auditing. It's because what's happening in this field is that we really don't have enough people to do this work. So what's happening is they're expecting us to do multiple things. That's why the last one, if you notice, they had, we want you to be a developer, we want you to audit this stuff, we want you to, like, they're expecting us to do like way more now. And then this one is saying, okay, They want you to be an access management engineer. They want you to know Active Directory. I guess you have to actually know Active Directory. That's a part of access management. It's a type of one way to do access management. But CADA, single sign-on, and audit. They want you to also do self-audits. It's just, what's happening in this field is that we don't have enough people to do it, and it's getting worse. So it's expanding in that the work, there's more and more work, and there's all this scope creep, but we don't have enough people to do the work. So they're saying, okay, Bruce, wear this hat, and this hat. You know, you're gonna design the virus stuff and manage it, but you're also gonna do risk management, and we want you to audit, and we want you to do this, and we want you to do that. And we don't really have enough time in the day to do all this stuff in the time frames that they want us to do them in. And chime in, all you cybersecurity people out there, if you guys are going through the same thing. But basically, in every job I've had in the past 10 years has been like this, where they want us to do multiple things. And it's because we don't have enough people. If you're interested in coming into this career field, I highly recommend it. You will never be out without work. If you don't know how to get into it, but you're very interested, consider signing up for my course, and that will walk you through the landscape. It'll show you, hey, here's what IT security is all about. Here's different job descriptions that you can get into, and if you don't have the skill set, here's the things that you should do. Here's the direction that you should head in, and it tells you basically how to put a career path together for yourself. And then once you have everything you need to get into cybersecurity, it tells you here's how you market yourself, the most important piece of that whole thing. So definitely consider signing up to this, and I'll see you guys next time.